Next, order processing. Next chapter name is order processing. So in inventory, it is one of the important chapter actually. Purchase order and sales order. So what is purchase order and sales order? Why we are preparing? Actually, so when we are working in purchase department, so on that time we want to prepare a purchase orders and sales orders. Actually, purchase order we are preparing and we are sending to.
Hello.
Yes, ma.
Ma'am, the mobile is pura blank is mobile now. 1 minute, ma'am. I will rejoining.
Okay, okay.
Okay, ma'am, continue.
Okay, ma'am.
Hello. Okay, now.
Yes, yes. So I will share your screen. So today our chapter is purchase order and sales order, ma'am. Order processing in Tally Prime. What is purchase order and sales order? Why we are using this one? Actually, so we are working in any purchase department. We are working in any accounting department. On that time, we want to prepare a purchase orders actually. So purchase order means we are preparing a order. We are preparing a one quotation. What items we require. We are sending to supplier. Based on the terms and conditions, supplier so deliver the items for us, what we are ordered. That is purchase order actually. Sales orders we are receiving from customers. Purchase orders we are preparing, we are sending to suppliers actually. So how to prepare that purchase order, sales orders in Tally Prime? How to view outstanding orders? Once we are prepared purchase orders, how we are display the reports, how to send that purchase orders to supplier, what is the purchase order terms and conditions. Once we received material, that purchase order, how to convert into purchase invoices. What is the procedure we will see. First of all, order processing, first one purchase order. On April 1st, purchase order issued to, so we are purchasing actually issued to, so Compact System Limited for the following. 70 GB RAM, 700 numbers, rupees 2000 each. 50 GB hard disk drive, 500 numbers, rupees 3000 each. CPU 100 numbers, rupees 5000 each. Order number also they are mentioned. At the same time, on April 8, stock received from Compact System Limited. We are receiving one. On 1st April, we are ordered the material. On April 8, we received a stock. What we are received? So switch on the fan, Iva. 70 GB RAM, 600 numbers, rupees 2000 each. So what we are ordered, same material we received here. See, 70 GB RAM, 700 numbers we are ordered, 600 numbers we received in the same cost. 50 GB hard disk drive, 500 numbers, rupees 3000 each. 50 GB hard disk drive, 450 numbers, 3000 rupees each. We ordered 500, 450 numbers we are received. CPU 100 numbers we are ordered, we are received 100 rupees in the same cost. So bill number also they are mentioned. So 45 days, credit days, within 45 days we want to pay the amount. This is purchase order. We will see now how to prepare this one. So I will share a screen Tally Prime. So I am selecting our company. Okay, ma. See, already we are created company, no? Now we want to use a purchase order and sales order process in our system. Means first we want to activate that one, ma. So first of all, we want to create a stock items and ledgers and all. I am creating a stock item. So ledgers first of all, create a ledger. What ledger we want to create? That supplier name, ma. We are ordering from whom? That supplier name we want to create it. So CompacQ systems. So we are ordered to this company, System Limited. He is a sundry creditor. Our supplier no sundry creditor. So here enter address you want to mention it, ma. So that supplier full address we want to type here. So next to state to country you want to select it, pin code. So next to enter, ma. So you have GST means you can update it. He is what type of dealer. So what is the GST number, that and all you want to update it. Enter. You can save the screen, ma. So purchase ledger already we are created. So purchase ledger comes under purchase account only. So one ledger we are created now. So now we can go back now. Stock items we want to create it. So what items we are ordering now? 70 GB RAM. 70 GB RAM. So we are purchasing 70 GB RAM. So units numbers, ma. Enter. So suppose you want to use GST also, you can set yes here, ma. Applicable. Here yes, you can set it. So what is the tax rate you want to update it, ma? Here taxability, taxable you want to select it. For example, 18% tax I am updating. So enter, you can save it. Next item, what we are ordering? 50 GB hard disk drive, ma. 50 GB hard disk drive. Hard disk drive. 50 GB hard disk drive. So it is comes under numbers. Enter, applicable, S. So it is comes under taxable. So what is the tax rate we have? 18%. Enter, you can save it. Next item, what we are ordering? CPU. So CPU we are ordering. So what is the cost number? So applicable, yes, you can press it too. Here taxability, taxable. So GST rate is 18%. Enter, you can save it. So what items we are ordering? We want to create that items. So we are created items. Next to how to prepare purchase order and sales order. You can go to here vouchers. So in a button bar, you want to select other vouchers button. Other vouchers. Here, so here it is not showing any other vouchers. No. Show inactive, you can click it. Show inactive. See here it is showing no other vouchers, it is showing. Now also purchase order and sales order, it is offline actually. You can select it here. You can select it. And it is asking if you need to activate the purchase order. Yes, you can press it. See, it is activated purchase order. And which date we are preparing the order, you can select it. Date do you want to select it? So I am preparing purchase order 1st April 2022. Okay, now. So what is the party name? So CompacQ Systems. What is the order number? Order number CS82. CS82. So our order number is CS82. Name of item. What item we are ordering now? So already we are created items. So see 70 MB RAM, 70 GB RAM. Here due on it is asking. Due on means which date before you are purchasing a, which date before you want to material it is asking. So we are preparing a order. We are sending to supplier. Which date before do you want to material it is asking. So which date before real we want? So here, for example, I am mentioning before 1st May. I want to receive a material before 1st May. Go down it is asking. Already we are created go downs, no? So in Bangalore go down. What is the what? How much we are ordering actually? 700 I am ordering. So what is the cost for 2000 rupees each one? Suppose you are asking any discount. Suppose 5% discount I am asking. See, I am updated discount now. So this is, if you don't want discount means you can leave it. So enter here purchase, GST purchase, you can select it. Next one. So 50 GB hard disk drive we are purchasing now. 50 GB hard disk drive. Due on means which date before do you want to material it is asking. Go down Bangalore, go down. So we had discussed in previous videos, what is go down, how to create that and all. So next to in Bangalore, go down. How much stock we are released? 50 GB actually. 50 GB hard disks. So what is the stock? 500 numbers, 3000 each one. 500 numbers, 3000 rupees each. So discount 5%. Enter. Here you can update it GST purchase. Next we will select it CPU 100 numbers. CPU. So due on means first May before we want to receive a material. So go down, I am selecting Bangalore. So 100 numbers. So what is the cost we have? 5000 rupees each. So 5% discount, enter, you can save it. So GST purchase. Here you want to calculate CGST, SGST. So like this I prepared. This is a purchase order. So like this, it is possible to preparing orders in tally frame. Enter. You can save it. So purchase order I prepared now. So now I received here this material. I prepared a purchase order now. This one next to how to prepare sales order. We will see sales order. You can go to other vouchers here. Sales order, it is not activated still. Show inactive, you can click it. Here see under order vouchers, it is showing sales order. Enter. Yes, you can press it. See sales order, it is activated. Now we will see the example. So in our example, what we have, we will see. Order processing, sales order. So what we have? Actually here we have sales order. April 15, sales order received from Mrs. Modern Computers. So we are receiving order from Modern Computers for the following. 70 GB RAM, 500 numbers, rupees 2500 each one. 50 GB hard disk drive, 450 numbers, rupees 3500 each. CPU 80 numbers, rupees 6000 each, order MC 55. So this is we are received order from Modern Computers. On 15th we are received a order. On 20th we are issued stock to Modern Computers. 70 GB RAM, 450 numbers each, 2500 rupees. 450 numbers, rupees 2500 each. 50 GB hard disk drive, 400 numbers, 3500 each. CPU 60 numbers at 6000 rupees each, against order number. So how to prepare this one we will see now. Now we want to create first of all. So I am sharing a tally frame screen. See sales order. Party name we want to create it now. Party name. What is the party name we have? So Modern Computers. So party name we have Modern Computers. See, I am creating a ledger. Modern Computers ledger we are not created. So here right side ledger create button you can press it. So Modern Computers. It comes under sundry debitors. Enter. Address we want to mention it. So enter. You can save it. Now order number. They are mentioned order number also. So what is the order number? MC55. So regarding your company, you want to select it. So name of item you want to select it. Which item we are received order? 70 GB actually. 70 GB mm. So due on means which date before we are. So we are selling material. I mean we are Deliver the material. That date we want to give it. Before 1st May, I am updating ma. So go down, you can select it. How much we have received your order? 70 GB RAM, 500 numbers ma. So 500 numbers we are receiving a order. What is the cost? 2,500 rupees each one. So enter. Now here GST sales you can select it. So sales and purchase ledgers already we are created. Next item 50 GB hard disk. 50 GB hard disk. So Duan it is asking. So what is the godown name? Bangalore. What is the stock we have? 450 numbers 3,500. 450 numbers 3,500. So enter, you can save it. Here you want to select it GST sales. Next to 50 GB, CPU 80 numbers. Next to what we have? CPU 80 numbers. First to 5, 2022. So Bangalore. So what is the stock we have? 80 numbers we have. So what is the cost? 6,000 rupees. Enter, you can save it. Here GST sale. So SGST and CGST. SGST and CGST. So enter, you can save it. So this like we are prepared purchase order and sales orders. So before prepare purchase order and sales order, if you want to use GST in, you want to calculate GST means you want to enable F11 features. Already we done that one. So required ledgers we are creating, items we are creating, we are prepared purchase order and sales order. This like monthly, how many orders do you want? It is possible to prepare it. So we are prepared the order, it's okay. Purchase order we are prepared to. We are not sent to supplier, no. So how to send supplier that order? How to view the purchase order and sales order reports? I want to view now purchase order and sales order reports. You can go to display more reports. Under display more reports, you want to click that inventory books. See, under inventory books, we have here purchase order book and sales order book. So how many we are prepared? Here it is showing. See, purchase order book, monthly wise it is showing. In May month, in April month, one order we are prepared. See, purchase order this is. See, what we are done, it is showing. So you done any mistake, it is possible to altering here. Amount, date and all. So how many orders we are prepared? Here it is showing monthly wise. Next, I want to view sales order. Sales order is also in April month, one order we are prepared. See what we are prepared, it is showing. So how to view the purchase order and sales order. Next to how to view the purchase order and sales order and outstanding reports. You can go to statement of inventory. See here, sales order outstanding, purchase order outstanding, purchase order outstanding. You want to view outstanding orders like stock item wise or ledger wise or order wise. It is asking ledger. I am selecting. So I am selecting a name. See how many items we are ordered to that supplier. Pending orders. Enter. So order quantity 500, balance quantity also 500. Still we are not received anything, no. So clearly it is showing. Next one, no. So now I want to send this order to supplier. How to send? So you can go to here. So you can open it. First of all, display more reports. You can open A so that purchase order and sales order, inventory books. Now I want to send purchase order to supplier. You can open it like this. Select monthly wise. You can open it. I've opened now. This one how to send to supplier. So you can select it email. Here in a button bar email you have, no. You can select it email. Current button you can select it. So email from. So your mail you want to create it here. Create email sender name, email from. So here show additional options not required. So you want to send this email to whom? Multiple addresses do you want to type? Otherwise, new address. Email to new address. You can type it. You want to send it to whom? That is supplier. So that is supplier mail ID. You want to type it. Supplier mail ID. Do you want to type it? Purchase order. If you want to type message, you want to type any messages, you can type it. So that is your choice. So I am sending a order. I am sending a purchase order. Purchase order. Please check and deliver the material. Material within a time. So this like you want to type a message. Enter. Now, do you want to configure anything? It is possible to configure, otherwise email. So password it is asking. So I sent a password. See, automatically. So the please see some settings we want to done. We want to send a email. You want to done first of all sending settings. Otherwise, one more way also we have. Directly it is possible to send email. Otherwise, so email so that all details it is correct means automatically it is possible to sending. Otherwise, one more way also we have. You can click it export button. Current you can select it. Excel spreadsheet. Here file format Excel spreadsheet. Export to local drive. You can click it this one configure. So now you want to change it this file format. It is possible to change it. So but Excel only we are using. Now send you can click it. So yes, you can press it. So I am exporting to Excel now. So automatically it is exporting to Excel. In Excel, do you want to change any configuration? It is possible to see. Now Excel sheet it is opened. See that purchase order it is opened clearly. Bring me phone. See it is opened clearly. Wait. So purchase order I exported to Excel actually. So now this one you can save it. So you can go to file. You can save it in your own folder. See, I saved this one. After that, you can save this file. No, you can open your mail ID. Through your mail, you can send it. Through your mail, you can send this file to supplier email ID. So this like also we are sending. After they are received once that purchase order. After they are received once their purchase order. So they are deliver the material for us. Now I sent a purchase order to supplier. Now today I received a material. So once I received a material, so I want to convert this purchase order to purchase invoice. Otherwise, always it is showing under pending purchase orders only. So now see in our example, we received material. No, that example also we have. See, actually on April 1st we are prepared the order, we sent it. April 8 we received. So here 70 GB RAM we are purchased. So we are ordered. Here 70 GB RAM 600 numbers we are received. We are received 50 GB hard disk drive 450 numbers we are received. CPU 100 numbers 5000 pieces we are received. Now we want to prepare once today I received a material from supplier. I want to prepare a purchase invoice now. But we no need to prepare purchase invoice separately. Why? Because means already we are prepared a purchase order. That order only I am converting into purchase invoice after receiving a material. First you can change the date, which date you have received material. I received on 1st May. I received a material on 1st May. Here you have any changes, you can change it. See that bill number also I am updated. See 1 minute after change the date. See heading we have here purchase order. This purchase order we want to convert into a purchase invoice. So you want to convert this one into purchase invoice means in a button bar, you can press it purchase voucher. See, automatically it's converted into purchase. Now supplier invoice number. So that purchase invoice number you want to record here. So that invoice number is CS82. 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 So that bill number actually. Enter. Now 50 GB RAM. 700 we are order actually. So we received how much? We received 600 numbers only. You can change it. 600 rupees. Check cost is 2500. So 2500 we received. Enter. You can save it. GST purchase. Next to 50 GB hard disk drive we received. We are order 500 numbers. Now, so how much numbers we are received? See here, 500 numbers we are order, no? We received how many numbers? We received 450 numbers only. We received 450 numbers, actual and bill. What is the cost for this one? 3000 rupees. 3000 rupees only. Here also cost to 2000 rupees only. This cost also here also say actual and bill both same. So 2000 rupees. Enter. Enter. Next item CPU also. So we are order 100 numbers. So we received 100. We are order 100 numbers. So we received 100. 5000 rupees cost. Here we don't have any changes. So we are order some material. We received material. So in a purchase invoice, we have some changes. I changed that one. Enter now. You can save the screen. You can save the screen. Okay, I saved. Now we don't have any purchase orders. See. So we prepared the order. We sent it. Once we received a material, we are converting into purchase invoice. We don't have any orders now. Now sales order also same like I received a sales order. I delivered the material to that customers. Now that sales order book I am opening. Once I delivered the material to customer, this sales order book I want to convert into sales invoice. You can change the date, which date you are delivered the material. 1st May. So now sales order heading we have. This sales order I want to convert into sales invoice. You can press it F8 button in a button bar. See, it is converted into sales invoice. So now any changes we have? Yes, we have changes. Actually, we are order here. So 70 GB RAM we are order 500 numbers. So we delivered 500 numbers. Yes. So 450 numbers we are delivered actually. We received order from 500 to 450 numbers we are delivered. So what is the 70 GB RAM cost? So 2500 rupees. So enter GST sales. Next to 50 GB hard disk drive, 400 numbers. 400 numbers we are delivered the material. What is the cost? 3500 rupees. So enter. Next to CPU. So 60 numbers we are delivered the material. 60 numbers. So what is the cost? 6000 rupees. Here also 60 numbers. So what is the cost? 6000 rupees. Enter. You can save it. So already GST, CGST, SGST we have. See 70 GB RAM, 50 GB hard disk drive, CPU. So we delivered the material. That sales order we are converted into sales invoice. New reference, bill wise details. Enter. You can save it. Yes, sir, no. See, we are prepared the orders. We don't have now any purchase and sales orders. Now I want to view your outstanding orders, statement of inventory, purchase order outstandings, stock item wise I am selecting. So that which item I am selecting this 50 GB hard disk drive. So period you can change it. 1st April to 31st 5, 2022. So purchase order outstandings it is now showing. Okay, ledger wise I am showing. So what is the party name we have? So Compaq Systems Limited. Okay. So now we are converted. Now I want to view that one. We don't have any orders. We are converted that one sales invoice to sales order to sales invoice. Automatically it is affected into account books. Now I am going to account books. Now here purchase register, you can select it. See in May month. See it is converted. No? So here we have Compaq System Private Limited. So it is added to accounting books. It is added to purchase book. Sales register also same thing. Which month do you want? See, you can select it. See. So we are converted, no? It is added automatically into sales book. So what is purchase order and sales order? Why we are preparing that one? How we are exporting that purchase order and sales order? How to converting that one? So you understood that one actually.